It's a hearty salad packed with protein and tossed in a citrus dressing that tastes like summer. This complete meal will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Becca Jackson joining me to share this recipe for the fresh Catana salad. Let's establish, I can order the Catana salad.
Yes.
From?
Pizzeria Limon.
Yes.
Which is 2 minutes from my house, which became a quick addiction once I found it. Because at first when it came out, they just had it like on a poster board when you walked in. So it wasn't really on the menu for a minute.
It was one of those trials, let's see how it does.
And then I was like, well, why is this not on the menu? Is it a secret? Like, I'm okay keeping it a secret for a minute.
Say, let's see how it does. And Becca's ordering it 2 times a day. And they're like, I guess we'll put this on the menu.
I know. One for now, one to go.
Clearly a hit. Clearly a hit.
But I was going a lot to get it. And I was like, you know what? I've got to figure out a different way to not go every day
to make this happen. So please go to Pizzeria Limon and order it.
Because we still do. We were there 2 days ago. So.
On the off days, you say there's a similar kind of copycat combination you can pull together.
Yeah, well, I think the magic behind this salad is the amount of proportions from salad on the base, but then all the things on top. And that's my kind of salad, is I want like a little bit of lettuce, but then all the goods. And the dressing is just delicious. It's orange juice with some vinegar, olive oil, honey, and some salt. So, but it's so refreshing, so light, perfect for this like spring, summertime.
Yeah, very
Get
citrus.
some fresh oranges and
infused.
So
okay, we're starting with a bed of greens.
Yes. So just you can dig on in here.
Oh, here we go.
It's
this
all
is
yours.
Me.
It's all yours.
Q. I'm here.
So bed of greens, a little or a lot, whatever you like.
I'm loading it up, Becca.
And then we just do a big old chunk of chicken here.
Okay.
So I love, like I said, good filling, hearty protein. It will keep you full. A salad that you won't be hungry in 10 minutes. Then you've got to have the fresh oranges with the fresh.
I should be using a spoon.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Just
I'm
get
just
on
digging
in there.
in. I'm just like, we're friends.
You know,
we're friends in this kitchen.
Yeah. So you got to have the fresh oranges, and then this corn. They actually do a roasted corn, which I love. I have a sucker for corn, so I just cut it right off the kebab, the cob. The cob. There it is. Kebab.
Rhymes with kebab.
And then throw it in a pan, just like with a little bit of butter and salt. The salty bacon, of course. Bacon makes everything better.
Yes.
Pistachios. And then, I know red onion is polarizing, so
Can I pass?
You know what, I almost didn't even put it on, because like you walk over here and that's all I smell, but you know what, it's pretty, we got the purple, matches my sweater.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the cheese, so it's like Asiago Romano Parmesan mix.
Please.
And then they have the avocado, and honestly, once again, we have the salt and the salt and the salt, but a little bit of fresh salt on the avocado with salt and...
Look how full this is.
And pepper.
Pretty.
Oh boy.
Here she goes.
And it just like, to have that at home, you're gonna feel like $1,000,000.
You know what this beats? Dino nuggets, mac and cheese.
And that took you just a few minutes. And if you put all of this stuff back in its container, or even today, I even showed you a little salad jar option.
Look at this great
idea.
idea.
So you could even build this up. My friend Tara did this, and I was like, yes, Tara, do it. And and then you just have the little dressing that I just keep in your fridge, and like a little goes a long way. Yeah. Because it's so flavorful and so delicious.
I have a friend, sounds as smart as your friend Tara, who's constantly keeping fresh homemade dressings like that in her fridge, because for those mom moments where you have half a second to throw together something nutritious, that makes it feel elevated, right?
Oh, totally.
To some degree.
Yeah, oh yeah. Well, because it's a little bit of flavor, but you're not, I feel like that's where salads, people get weary of like, oh, the dressing's so fattening or whatever, but something super flavorful with just a little bit of olive oil in it, and
I love it. And a few specialty ingredients, plus the oranges. Like I feel like that's a underutilized, citrus in general, fruit in general, underutilized in salads.
Oh, I totally agree. And then they also have that it's always served with, so these are just the little naan breads. Oh yeah. That you can, they have like their fresh, like the real stuff, their real crust. But I just pop it in a toaster, and once again, a little butter and salt. Chop it up and eat it with your salad, so you get all the goods.
Love it.
So
love it.
It's delicious. It's my favorite.
We'll be making this and now ordering it. I've never actually had that off their menu. So inspiration to do both. Where can we get more recipe ideas from you, Ms.
So I'm on Instagram at If the Cookie Fits.
If the Cookie Fits on Instagram. We'll link you over. Be sure to give Becca a follow for more great recipe ideas like this, and cookies too, right?
Oh yeah.
Some salt,
all the
some
things.
Cookies.
The balance of all the good things.
We love it. We love it. Thank you so much.
Great.